guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm here at the state fair park, and I have three things that I want to do. So the first one is find a cute car, find a car that matches my outfit. As you can see, my outfit, so find a car that matches my outfit. And another thing is take a picture me in or out of the car. So let's see if the owners allow it to, because I want to be respectful. So yeah, so 3 challenges, let's go. Okay. I see a police officer. Let's go and say hi. Thank you for your service.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. You have a good night.
You too. I found a cute car, and I found car that matches my outfit. Yeah, I didn't get to take a picture because the owners basically were not there around, so I didn't want to be disrespectful, so that didn't happen. So don't forget to subscribe, comment below the car that you liked, because you know there's a lot of cars here, like